Well, boys and girls, it gets darker and darker each night. It is, oh my goodness, all of about 5 o'clock, and it is pitch black out. I'm preparing something I haven't showed you before. I was at Walmart, I bought me a box full of cold chicken, and it's hard as a rock. So I have some water coming to the boil, and I have a tin can that I have punched full of holes with my Garberg. And now that it is starting to steam, I'm going to set my chicken down inside here, like so. And I'm going to plop this lid on it, and I'm going to let it steam for a while. Boy, ain't that just a way to reheat chicken out in camp. In the center, that's my pot. It's got my water. I'm having grown-up macaroni and cheese again tonight. And I got a pot of tea on getting hot that I can sip while my food cooks. That's supper tonight, 2nd of December. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to